going to be changing the fog lights to the LASFIT LED. So much brighter. Look at those LEDs. Alright, so here is my headlights. I have LASFIT for my low beams as well. And so this is what it looks like just down a dark road here. And then I'll turn on my fog lights that I just replaced with the LASFIT bulbs. Boom. No fogs, fogs. I mean, it brights up even that tree. Check that out. No fog lights, fog lights. So really, really great. And it goes super wide too, so you can see all around you. Again, no fogs and fogs. Thank you, LASFIT.